Okay, let me explain what we're looking at here. We're currently at my home. This PC represents a computer which would be attached to a kiosk located in a customer's facility. This computer has a USB port connected to a USB interface card. This particular interface card has 8 digital switches on it. Each of these switches could be used to control electronic lock on a kiosk. What I've done here is rigged it up to have a beeper on switch number 1, a multimeter on switch number 4, and a light bulb on switch number 7. So what we hope to do here is go through the ordering process and allow this website, which is currently being hosted in Waltham, Massachusetts, control the switches that are on this USB port. Okay, so let's give it a whirl. First thing I need to do is log in as a customer. I'm just going to cut and paste here. After I authenticated, it brings up the standard form. All the information is auto-populated about the contact, delivered to, invoice to. I'm going to type in part description. It'll search either the long or the short description. I can also search by part number. As we can see here, the more that I type in, the fewer results I get back. So finally I get down to one item. I can select that one item. I'll list myself as the contact. And at this point, I'm ready to submit the order. So I submit the order, and what I get back is the standard confirmation form telling me what I ordered. It gives me an order number, tells me how many items. What it's done is a couple things. It's written this information to the database, and it's read it back and displayed it to the screen. So I know all this information has been stored correctly. But now the thing that it's done a little different is it's actually thrown up this alert asking me if I'd like to open the iSupply door. So what's happened at this point is the web application has sensed that there's an iSupply kiosk attached to this PC, and it's asking me if I'd like to open the door at this point. If I was using this website from a PC that did not have a kiosk, I would not receive this alert. Okay, so here we go. We'll select OK, open the door, and we'll see what happens. So there's switch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the multimeter. There goes the light bulb. They're all on now. They're all off. They're all on. Now they're all off. Okay, so that's it. Using the interface board and the USB port, we can control 8 devices. Now if we were to add a little more circuitry to this, we could treat those 8 switches as 8 bits, 8 binary bits. And if we do that, what we could do is actually control 256 locations. So that'd be quite a few. 256, that's practically one for every item in the supply center inventory. In addition, this particular interface board has 5 digital inputs, which we could use for sensors like door open, door close, or we could actually have buttons on the kiosk itself, which would be registered through this web application. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I think it's a good proof of concept. It's proof that it's going to work. I would still like to get it into more of a production environment just to make absolutely sure that there are no issues we haven't thought of. But so far it looks like it's going to work just fine. Okay, I hope you like it.